Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well. Today's recipe is a total classic, and that's creamy garlic mushroom pasta. It's a recipe that's very popular, obviously, but it's also made very quickly. So actually, you can make it in under 30 minutes, so that's pretty quick. It's full of flavor and it can be a really hearty meal when you really need to feel full. So let me just show you what we need. We'll have to go to the kitchen for that. Alright guys, these are all the ingredients we need. I'm going to use penne pasta for this dish. You can use any, what you choose. You could use spaghetti as well. So penne pasta, and there's about 250 gram there. There's about 200 gram of mushroom, and I've cut it, as you can see. So you just cut it to this thickness. Now if you want a more earthy taste, you could use chestnut mushroom or portobello mushroom. I think portobello would be better actually. But this is what I have today, and this is what I'm going to be using. And then we'll be using about 2 tablespoons of butter. This is 3 to 4 garlic. Either you can chop it finely or you could just grate it. Black pepper, crushed. This is salt. All-purpose white flour. We will need about 2 to 3 tablespoons there. And this is Parmesan cheese. It's already grated. Milk, full cream milk. I have about 300 ml in here. Some oil for cooking. 1 medium-sized onion. Thyme if you have it, and some fresh parsley for garnishing. So that's it, that's all your ingredients. So the next thing to do is to put a pan, put some water in it and heat it up. So we're preparing for the pasta at the moment. So to this I'm just going to add some salt, because if you don't put salt when you are boiling your pasta, it will taste bland. So the water is really hot, and I will put the pan pasta in it just to start the cooking here. Okay guys, while the pasta is still cooking, we will put another pan to heat up. So we'll fry the mushroom, put some oil in it. Wait for it to heat up. We'll now put the onions in. Fry these onions till they are translucent. That's it. We'll now put the mushrooms. So this will cook and reduce in amount. Okay guys, so the mushroom looks a bit soft already. At this stage we just need to add the garlic and thyme. That's the grated garlic. We need to make sure it doesn't get burned. Let's put the thyme in as well. Keep stirring. Reduce the flame to medium. Add a little bit of salt. You could also add some black pepper to season this. I'm just going to empty this pan, and we'll use that to make the same pan to make the sauce. So I'll switch this off for now. Okay guys, the pasta is still cooking. It's 90% cooked. I'm just going to wait for a bit longer. Some people will tell you do it a la dente, which means about 80% cooked, and then it will cook further in the sauce. That's ideal, but in my place they like it well cooked. So yeah, this is gonna cook for another 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll do the sauce. This is the same pan. I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to reduce flame to low to medium. because we don't want it to burn. Okay, so it's already reduced to low. So it's now melted. I'm going to add a tiny amount of, I would say about 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. So this is really, I'm just grilling it till the rawness of the flour is gone. Yeah, I think that's about it. Once this is done, we're just going to add the milk to it, short cream milk. There we go. Okay, you have to make sure there's no lump. I'm sure there isn't any. Okay, I can increase it to medium now, so the flame is now on medium. And keep stirring. So that's a whole 300 ml of full cream milk in it. So we're just going to season it now with a bit of salt. So you have to remember, we've got salt in the pasta and also in the mushroom. So just a tiny bit of salt here. Some black pepper. So it's now cooking. Can you see the thickness? How do you know that it's ready or the thickness is good? Is when you just put it like that and it doesn't run away. It caught your spoon at the back. So that's kind of saying to you it's now ready. Let's put the garlic mushroom in there and mix. I've turned it down to dim again because I don't want it to be too dry. So if it's cooking for too long, it might turn dry. But this is looking gorgeous, people. This is really nice. Smell nice with the garlic in it. If you feel that your sauce is too dry and you want it a bit more runny, you just have to put a bit of the pasta water you've just boiled. You could use that water. I'm just going to put the heat back on medium and let it cook. Oh, look at that. Okay, so first we'll just put some parmesan on top and mix it. Oh God, I wish you could smell this right now. It's beautiful, smells delicious. Yummy. And now we're just going to put some parsley. You could use dry parsley if it's only for the taste. And if you're garnishing, it's always nice to have some fresh one there. Mixed up. Oh my, this is really nice. Alright guys, I think it's cooked and we are ready to serve. Okay, I'm just going to switch this off now because it will get too dry otherwise, and we'll just dish out. Here we go guys, the creamy garlic mushroom pasta is now ready and it is looking gorgeous. Okay guys, the dish is now ready. I really hope you liked the video, and if you do like it, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos. So I hope to see you next time in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, see you soon.